Hi, my name is Arifa Damani, and I am a learning and development specialist, especially for educators who are looking to make a career change to something outside of education. So I support with the job search process from end to end in helping educators find jobs that they can get paid really well in and also finally start to enjoy their life a little bit more in. Life before AA. Oh my gosh. This is taking me back, I guess, 3 years because I joined the program on my dad's birthday, March 29th, and it was 2021. Life before AA was very interesting because I had recently gotten laid off, but even before I was laid off in my corporate career, so I was a director of training, learning, and development. I was working on my YouTube channel. I really wanted to be an entrepreneur. I wanted to have my own business since I was probably like 10 years old. So life before AA was me, having a corporate job while on the side trying to try out different business ideas. So I still remember I bought a uh, heat press machine because I was like, I'm going to start a new business making t-shirts. Or now I'm going to do yoga. So I became a yoga instructor and I started hosting yoga sessions. So I was basically trying to establish a stable business and I was not having a lot of success with it. I found myself chasing clients for very little money. I was running Facebook ads, managing social media for my clients, and it was just not working out for me. There was some missing piece, and I just couldn't figure it out. And I was following Sunny for quite some time. So I really wanted to have a business that was sustainable and that could also replace my corporate salary, which at that time was 6 figures. So I didn't want to just have any business. I wanted to have a business that will be, replacing my salary, but at the same time, make me happy, give me the freedom. I was looking for something that I can enjoy doing at the same time. And I just was not very happy with my life at that moment prior to AA. So that's long story short. Life completely changed 360 after I joined AA, and it did not happen overnight. So, please don't get me wrong here. But I do want to say that the support that I received from Sunny, Nicole, the team, and even my, friends that I met through the AA program has completely changed my life and my business forever. Not only do I now have a successful business that has made me consistent income for the past 3 years, but I also have developed as a person and I actually like who I am today. And I want to thank Sunny and the team for that because I think that when I first joined the AA program, my major goal was I just want to be successful as a business owner. All these people are really successful. Why can't I get it? Like I've always been ambitious in life. I've worked for some like really awesome companies like Google, Pepsi. Like I have multiple degrees. Like why am I not, feeling successful as a business owner? So I think that was what was driving me in the very beginning when I joined the program. And I remember specifically like my first call with Sunny and the team. Sunny was talking about building a legacy business. She was talking about, what kind of clients would you like to attract? And in my head at that point in time, this is 3 years ago, right? The Arifa 3 years ago. I was thinking, man, like, I don't care, like, what kind of clients I'm attracting. I don't care what kind of business this is. I just want to start a stable business. I just want to be successful. I just want to feel successful. I just want to replace my corporate salary. And I think I was very driven by that. However, now that I reflect back, what the teachings that the things that I learned from Sunny and the team and this program has helped me become a better person too. Because now, after making the money that I wanted to make, now feeling the success that I wanted to feel, what keeps you going is a mission that you have and the impact that you're making on the lives that you're working with, right? So initially, although my motive was to have a successful business and make enough money, but that's not what drives me anymore. What keeps me going is the impact that I make on individuals that I work with. When I hear from teachers who were making, $30,000, $40,000 annual salary, they didn't have any money to take their kids on vacation, or they had never traveled out of country, or they couldn't even like go to the bathroom during their work hours, and just like the tough situation that they were coming out of. And then when I helped them secure new jobs and then they email me me back, or when they come on a call with me and, just to show gratitude and tell me how much their lives have changed since working with me and changing careers. And now that they can take their kids, to Disney every so often, or they can go finally travel to Spain where they always wanted to go to, or they can finally afford to like buy their own house. Like all these things is what keeps me going now. And it's really helped me, this entire program, the way that Sunny, teaches, and the team, helps you learn to do things on your own so that you become self-sufficient as a business owner. All these things have really helped me reflect on the kind of person that I am and that I continue to want to be. So life has completely changed in a nutshell. Uh, so yeah. Some of the tangible results that I've been able to achieve since joining the AA program, my business hit about $1 million in revenue since I first started AA in 2021. So we've reached that milestone that I've been, desperately waiting for. I've been able to buy multiple houses, one for me to live in and one for me to invest in and for my retirement. I have been able to grow an email list of over 8,000 email addresses. I have a following of over, I believe, 75,000 across different social media platforms, all using the Sunny system. So financially, personally, professionally, I've grown in so many ways. Other tangible results would be being able to take more vacations with my family than I ever had before in the past, without having to worry about, oh, like, do I have the money, or am I going to, need to do work while I'm, on vacation? Like, my business generates revenue whether or not I work at this point, which is pretty amazing. Obviously, I put in a lot of hours sometimes too. So that's not to say that I'm not working, but I can go on a vacation stress-free and enjoy as many vacations as often as I want as a business owner, which is really awesome. What I would say to someone who's considering whether or not to join AA would be, do it fast. Do it before it's too late, or before Sunny stops offering this program. I used my tax return money at that time to join the program, and I joined doing a payment plan. So where there's a will, there's a way. Find a way to join the program, because it's really going to be changing your lives.